Hello everyone, Sylvia here, and welcome to my VidMagnet review. So I have the sales page for you guys, I have the full demo, and I've got some bonuses from the vendors and me, even though I am not crazy about bonuses, because on this channel I focus on reviewing the product, not talking about bonuses, alright? And I do my very best to pick products which don't need bonuses to complement them because they are complete cool products. That's it. Anyhow, what's VidMagnet all about? So to put it briefly, it's a software that is going to do interactive, engaging videos for you. Yes. So it's going to add those engaging features to your videos to potentially increase sales and conversions and to boost the sales process. But hey, listen up guys, because this is not for everybody, and I can see that this tactic could backfire as well. So in my humble opinion, I believe this is a helpful software for those who already have an existing YouTube channel or are thinking of opening one, have a vision plan in mind, and are planning to make those either like use it for the e-commerce stores or like those helpful either tutorials or helpful like valuable videos where you provide helpful information for people, and people go on YouTube to search videos like that, like let's say how to get a six-pack or how to let me think, how to get rid of acne or get rid of allergies, this and that. So how to do fasting effectively, things like that, where you really know what you're talking about and you have this information you want to share with your audience, and then you could like use those engaging features, and the features we are talking about are like opt-in pages. Yes, opt-in pages on your videos, so you could collect emails from your YouTube videos. How cool is that? And grow your email list, yeah? Or like text or video on top of your video, okay? That's quite cosmic, but it looks cool really. Or like call to action, buy now, this and that, but it's perfect for e-commerce, right? But I'm just thinking that, like if I was to watch those some videos just for entertaining reasons, and I saw like opt-in pages on videos, that would annoy me. I was gonna say piss me off, but yeah, it would piss me off. It would annoy me, and I would just say bye, see ya. I wouldn't watch that video anymore. That's just my take on it. So yeah, you have to be smart about it. It's not for every kind of video. Well, yeah, so this is what it is, guys. I'll be showing you the full demo, so stay with me, and let's now check out the sales page and see what they've got to say. So here we are. As you can see, you have this $5 discount, so grab that. You just have to leave the sales page and come back, and this pop-up is gonna pop up. So what they say is, VidMagnet, the only tool you will ever need to make explosive money online. The world's most interactive all-in-one video marketing platform that legally siphons 5 billion visitors in 60 seconds. Zero tech skills, zero experience, zero upfront costs, newbie friendly. Okay, this sounds like a lot of nonsense to me. What are you talking about? Like 60 seconds, 5 billion visitors? I mean, like, unless you have 5 billion people following you, sure. Don't take sales pages seriously. Now, if I was to go by this sales page, I would think it's nonsense and I don't want to promote it. But then I looked at the software, what it actually does, and then it made sense to me. So loads of those Warrior Plus sales pages are kind of like the same stuff. There is like loads of advertisements, blah, 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 quick money. Come on, give me a break. What quick money? I have been, guys, doing affiliate marketing and studying hard, okay, researching a lot for like almost 6 months, and only now have I started seeing some like financial results. Okay, so there isn't such a thing really, like, you know, I am a realistic. Okay, so, and I don't want to even promote those like make money fast offers, because I just don't believe in it. I mean, it's, to me, it's like a lot of, you know, scammers out there as well that, you know, promise you heaven. And, you know, and that's it. And, you know, it's in your like something they promise you things that you wouldn't even see in your wildest dreams. But here they are and promise you that. But come on, if you have a skill, if you have knowledge, if you have mastered something, you will make money, surely. Okay, because knowledge is money. But you also have to learn how to, you know, put it out there. And sure, you see, if you have an idea on the kind of videos you want to make, or you already are making videos and you want to make them more engaging, this software will help you do that. So check out the rest of the sales page in your own time, guys. I'm not gonna be reading all of that. Let's jump to my bonus page, and this is more like an information page, guys, because I'm not focused on bonuses, because to me bonuses are very often like a brainwash and, you know, diversion of attention. So I focus on the product I am reviewing. If you want bonuses, I do give you access to thousands of freebies, you will see, and you can search like the category, the niche you want those bonuses in, and you will find them there. Okay, but that's your job to do, that's your homework. I'm talking about this product, VidMagnet, not bonuses. Okay, so here's the information on the product, and yeah, it does all that. Okay, the software is good, does the job. And now here's the prices. So the front end $17, they give you still, I believe they give you $5 off. Get rid of, not get rid get hold of that discount. And 7 upsells. Unfortunately, I do not have any more information on the upsells. My advice to you is get the front end if that's something for you. Obviously, you can get it from me as well via my bonus page, and then contact them on support. They claim to provide support and that tutorials as well. And then just ask them, hey, I need this and that. Like, advise me on which upsell would be suitable for me. So, you know, be just straight about it and straightforward. And here's some of the key benefits. All of the information is on my bonus page, guys. And here you can just, if you want to buy it from me, you can just smash this yellow button. It's gonna take you to the sales page where you essentially make the purchase. Here you just get instant access to VidMagnet, and voila, the product is yours. Now here's some bonuses as well. Well, the freebies from me, I give you a link, guys, to a website where you register for free, and it gives you access to thousands of free products. Okay, you just look for what you want. And here's some of the vendor bonuses, and the vendors have actually gone nuts, and they have given you a bunch of bonuses, many bonuses, guys, to be honest. But you will find out once you've bought the product. And yeah, so you will then access the product on the platform called Warrior Plus, this one here. My bonuses, where you see the blue one, the circle button, and the green one is all of the vendor bonuses. Now let's go and check out the demo. Guys, I could play this full demo here for you, but I'm just thinking it's pointless. Now, I've watched the demo. Why did I say pointless? Now, obviously, you watch the demo. Okay, watch the demo before you make the purchase, for sure. The demo is very well explained. I've watched it, and I thought, like, yeah, this is really like some useful software. I could like do with it, like use it myself, really. Maybe in the future I'll use something like that for my videos. So I attached the link to this full demo below my video, guys. In my description box you will see the link to my bonus page. Via the bonus page you can buy the product from me if you wish to buy it from me, and then the link to this demo. So before making the purchase, please watch the full demo. Now I'll start playing for you so you can see what you have inside, and then go ahead and click on the full demo and finish watching. Okay, let's check it out.
VidMagnet, the first of its kind powerful interactive video technology that allows you to turn any YouTube, Vimeo, or other online videos into a profit-pulling sales machine. In the next few minutes, I'll be showing you how VidMagnet can help you blow up your sales, take you from zero earnings to making huge commissions in sales, increasing your e-commerce sales, boosting your CPA results, and so much more. VidMagnet is the one-stop shop video solution for you that turns your boring videos into attention-grabbing and engaging video.
Alright, I'll stop here. I just wanted to show you the features they have inside. So where you see this video interactive, that's where you will create a campaign where you will add all those engaging features to your videos. Okay, you can upload those videos. You do everything inside the software. Then you have the integrations where you hook up your autoresponder, and there's many autoresponders you can connect this software with. Then you have analytics, training, support. Okay, so guys, my final thoughts are, this is an amazing software. It's gonna do the job, and but I was gonna say, you will have to be smart about it. You know, you will have to decide whether those engaging features are going to increase your views, increase your sales if you want to make sales, right? Or they will put people off. So, like, put yourself in those viewers' position, okay? So, would you like back off? Would you like just leave the video if you saw those pop-ups coming up? Or would you like still carry on watching because the information is too valuable for you to skip it? And like, you know, with those like opt-in pages on your videos, like they will actually pause the video, and unless they provide you with the email address, the video won't play, okay, won't play any further. So, you know, they give you the email address and then the video will carry on playing. So that's how it's gonna work, okay? So yeah, be smart about it. Let me know if you decide to purchase it. Let me know how you like it, what you think about this video. I'm always very, very curious to hear the feedback from my viewers and from my buyers. Also about the vendors, how they are with the support, whether, you know, the support is existent or non-existent, because sometimes they say there is support, but then you have to wait for days. So it, you know, it depends. It depends. I don't really know those people not seriously, but personally. But you know, the software seemed cool to me, and it seems like it does the job. So yeah, all the best, and I shall see you in my next review. If you give me some likes, guys, subscribe to my channel if you find this, you know, information valuable, then that would be cool. Anyhow, stay blessed and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.